Part 3, the 100 Dresses 1. We have seen in the previous video, girls, that how Peggy, the girl who always misbehaved with Wanda, she was not at all cruel to the children, smaller children. She even protected them. But she gave a clarification, a nice clarification that Wanda had a different name, and then she told a lie about 100 dresses, and that she never made her cry. To the questions when asked that why she misbehaved with Wanda. As for Maddie, this business of asking Wanda every day how many dresses and how many hats and how many this and that she had was bothering her. Now, as for Maddie, this business of asking Wanda. Now, though Maddie was with Peggy, but it always bothered her. It always worried her. Maddie was poor herself. She usually wore somebody's hand-me-down clothes. Hand-me-down clothes means old clothes, handed down by someone else. Now, Maddie is the same. She's also poor. She also wore old dresses. Thank goodness she didn't live up on Boggin Heights or have a funny name. But thank goodness she didn't come from that area. Sometimes, when Peggy was asking Wanda those questions in that mocking, polite voice, mocking means to make fun of, a funny voice, and making fun of her in a very polite manner, Maddie felt embarrassed. She herself felt ashamed and studied the marbles in the palm of her hand. And she always looked at the marbles, those small stones in her hand, rolling them around and saying nothing herself. Because she also felt guilty inside that she's also poor, she is also wearing hand-me-down clothes. Not that she felt sorry for Wanda. Not that she felt sorry for Wanda exactly. She would never have paid any attention to Wanda if Peggy hadn't invented the dresses game. So she said that she never felt sorry for Wanda exactly also, and she would never have paid attention if Peggy, her friend, would not have started this game. But suppose Peggy and all the others started in on her next, she wasn't as poor as Wanda, perhaps, but she was poor. But she was afraid that the others might also start with her. But she wasn't as poor as Wanda. Of course, she would have more sense than to say she had 100 dresses, but she would have more sense at least. More intelligent she would have been not to tell a lie that she had 100 dresses. Still, she would not like them to begin on her. She wished Peggy would stop teasing Wanda Petronsky. और वो फिर भी वो नहीं चाहती थी कि वो उसके साथ ऐसे misbehave करे. And she wished in her heart कि Peggy उसको tease करना छोड़ दे. Today, even though they had been late to school, Maddie was glad she had not had to make fun of Wanda. She worked her arithmetic problems absent-mindedly. 8 times 8, let's see. She wished she had the nerve to write Peggy a note because she knew she never would have the courage to speak right out to Peggy to say, "Hey Peggy, let's stop asking Wanda how many dresses she has." Today, as she was solving her arithmetic problem, she always thought that she would write a letter to Peggy because she did not have courage. Nerve means courage, to dare, or courage to write a note to say straight away to Peggy that why she is making fun. But she thought she will write. When she finished her arithmetic, she did start a note to Peggy. Suddenly she paused and shuddered. Shuddered means she trembled, she shivered, and she paused. Pause means she stopped writing. She pictured herself in the schoolyard, a new target for Peggy and the girls. And she at once thought, कि next target Peggy का कौन हो जाएगा, नहीं तो वही हो जाएगी. New target है ना. A target means a person deliberately chosen for attack. And all the other girls, they would make fun of her. Peggy might ask her where she got the dress that she had on, and Maddie would have to say it was one of Peggy's old ones that Maddie's mother had tried to disguise. Disguise means hide. और फिर उसको भी ये बताना पड़ेगा. Peggy ने अगर ये पूछ लिया कि उसकी dresses कहाँ से आई, then Maddie will not naturally have to what reply Maddie would give. So Maddie was thinking that how she will hide, what she will say when to the Peggy's dress, that how her mother had tried to disguise. Hide. Disguise means hide her new trimmings, so no one in room 13 would recognize it. कि कैसे उसकी mother उसको disguise छुपा देती है. If only Peggy would decide of her own accord to stop having fun with Wanda. Oh well, Maddie ran her hand through her short blonde hair as though to push the uncomfortable thoughts away. And then she thought only Peggy would decide of her own. ये Peggy को ही decide करना है of her own accord, of her own way that she has to stop making fun with Wanda. So, if Peggy, now she thought, okay, if Peggy would decide of her own accord, you write down there, someone does something because they want to do, not because someone asked. अपने ही wish से अगर वो मान जाए. And as she said this, she ran her hand through her short blonde hair. Blonde is fair and yellow hair. And when she pushed these uncomfortable thoughts from her mind, what difference did it make? Slowly, Maddie tore into bits the note that she had started. And thinking these thoughts, she tore that note that she had started. She was Peggy's best friend, and Peggy was the best liked girl in the whole room. Peggy could not possibly do anything that was really wrong, she thought. और फिर उसने सोचा पैगी हर फ्रेंड शी इज़ अ बेस्ट फ्रेंड शी विल नॉट डू एनीथिंग विच इज़ रॉन्ग. As for Wanda, she was just some girl who lived up on Boggin Heights and stood alone in the school yard. She scarcely ever said anything to anybody. Scarcely means hardly. उसने शायद ही कभी किसी को कुछ कहा हो. The only times she talked was in the schoolyard about her 100 dresses. Maddie remembered her telling about one of her dresses, pale blue with colored trimmings. Trimmings are laces. Okay. Once she remembered that how she told Maddie about one of her dress that was blue color, pale blue with all the laces. And she remembered another that was brilliant jungle green with a red sash. Sash होता है जैसे एक दुपट्टा टाइप का होता है ना स्टोल. You would look like a Christmas tree in that, the girls had said in a pretended admiration. And when she was describing these dresses, the girls they said in a pretended. Pretended means not real admiration. Admiration means praise. They were praising, but not the truth, not the real praises. Thinking about Wanda and her 100 dresses, all lined up in the closet, Maddie began to wonder who was going to win the drawing and coloring contest. Now her thoughts came up to the forthcoming contest. For girls, this contest consisted of designing dresses, and for boys, of designing motorboats. Probably Maggie would win the girls' medal. Maggie drew better than anyone else in the room, and she thought that for the girls, from the girls' side, it was Peggy who will win. So I stop here. Thank you. Stay safe.